What's up, guys? Another video here. Back to some truck stuff, obviously. And gonna bust out the old Cowboy Cadillac, the brown truck. This seems to be what everyone wants to see. It's just been sitting in here. I'm sure the battery's dead. It's not as dirty as it was the last time I pulled it out. But we're gonna do a couple things to it, make some changes today just because why not? I want to see it with the a different setup on it. So we're gonna move the old Jeep out of here. Look at Judd, my nephew. He's flexing on y'all. So we're gonna get it fired up, move it a little bit, and we're gonna do a little work on it today. Got this thing jacked up. Doesn't look bad. Maybe I should lift it up one of these days. Might look kind of cool with like a 3 or 4 inch lift on her. I have long arms, or I have longer short arms I can put in it. I have 7-inch springs. I have track bar. I have so many different suspension setups for this truck because it's been through so many. I also have some stuff that I never ended up putting on it. So who knows? It's always changing. That's what's fun about it. But I got these springs that were in it. These are regular diesel springs that I've cut a couple coils out. I mean, pretty much as low as you can go without hitting the frame. I gotta even pull the bump stops out normally. So I'm pretty fast at this. I'm gonna get the shocks unbolted and get these springs swapped. Check this out, guys. This is real time. This is how fast I am at doing this. Helps when you have blown out shocks. So they just go right wherever you need them to go. You gotta get it fitting in there. That's right. I'm just not liking this little rubber piece. Probably don't even need it. There we go. Bam. Just like that. We're sitting low. Get this shock bolted up. Where it goes. Just like that. 2.5 minutes of messing with that thing, and it's done. Alright, I was gonna move the truck out, flip it around, so I wasn't spared with all this stuff here, but the battery's so dead, doesn't want to start yet, so I'm just gonna do it here. Problem is I'm so fast, the battery still won't be charged by the time I'm done. Shock is loose. Jack it up. It's like every video I have, there's a clip of me jacking my truck up. So here's another one for you guys. Just go until I see that spring. Yep. Start to drop out. Should come right out. Push the shock down a little bit. This is why I don't change my shock, because this makes it so easy. I guess they work a little bit. Got my spring here. Line up a little bit. See if it's even. Pretty close. Tied my shock up. What are we? Almost 2.5 minutes into this one too. That includes jacking it up. I got 5 seconds. Can I tighten it up? Damn, 230. So I guess you could say, maybe I'll title this video Lowering Your Cummins in 5 minutes. So that was easy. Let's pull it out, it'll start, see how it looks. There it is. No more lean. Looks kind of cool sitting low on these 22s and some mud tires, but I think we're gonna change it up a little more. So over here, buried behind all this stuff that I just put here last night that I gotta move, I got another wheel and tire set up over here. You guys might already know what they are. Been on the truck before, nothing new. Hubcaps for the race truck. I hate center caps. Oh, look at those things. Everyone wants them. So I was gonna throw some spacers on it because I have them and it kind of looks pretty mean the wider it is, but can't find any regular lug nuts to put on the spacer, so we're just gonna throw the wheels on. A lot of you guys probably don't like spacers anyways. Well, there it is. Looking good. I'm gonna get it washed up and then we'll check it out. All right, there it is. Lowered down. Got the welds on it. Washed up. I always put this thing away and then every time I pull it out, I just love the way it looks. But you guys tell me what you think. Tell me if you like the welds on the 420s sitting lower, or if you like the 22x12 American Forces, whatever you think looks better. I think they both look good. I just think they look different. That's why I never sell anything. I just like having the option to always change things and change it up, and just, you get tired of the same thing, so it's nice to have it different. But man, seeing it on these street tires makes it seem like it needs to be fast. So leave a comment down below. Let me know if you think it should be fast again, because we've got single turbo here. We've got a primary for a twin setup, all the twin piping. We've got injectors, delivery valves, head studs. We've got basically everything to make it fast again except the transmission. But you know, training parts are expensive. Even if I build it myself, which I think I might try, because if you watch my last video, or one of my last videos, I dove into that. But still, billet shafts, torque converter, it all adds up. You're gonna spend, you know, even at least $3 grand. So, I don't know. Leave a comment, like, subscribe. Figured I'd give you guys a little brown truck content because that's what you guys want to see, it seems like. So, yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys later.